Acha, can you hear me now? Now it should be fine. You guys can hear me here. You guys can hear me here also. It should be fine. Okay. Acha, can you hear me now? ठीक है. Now it should be fine. You guys can hear me here. You guys can hear me here also. It should be fine. ठीक है. Why is not coming? Why should be coming now? So basically, by any chance, if you are not, if you are not able to hear me, or by any chance, if you are not, if I am not away to you, are you guys not able to hear me? Others? I'm. Yes, we can hear you. Okay, so because if one person is able to hear, then everyone should be able to hear. Okay. So those people who are not able to hear, maybe they can just rejoin and everything will be fine. Okay. So okay, by any chance, if you are not aware about me, my name is Ankush. I have around 13-14 years of experience as a Oracle DBA. I am here to talk about the Oracle database administration. This is our officially class for our Oracle DBA. Again, like as I said earlier also, if you want to start your journey as a Oracle DBA, you should have a knowledge about two important basics. One is your Linux and second one is your SQL. So previously we have given you the recording of Linux also as well as SQLs also. So I hope you have gone through it, but we are going to see that practically also. We are going to discuss here also, but my suggestion, as I said earlier also, if you guys are going back, checking the recordings and coming back with the questions, that will be really very important. Today we are going to start with our first topic, which is we are going to start with Linux today. So as we already discussed multiple times, why we are talking about the Linux, because Linux we are going to use for our Oracle database installation. So what is the plan? The plan is very simple. Basically, if you want to install your database, you are going to have your operating system. So you can use any Linux operating system. Maybe you can use Red Hat Linux, you can use Oracle Enterprise Linux, you can use whatever you wish to do. Now under that you are going to install your database. So database part I will take it later. As of now, the database part is not important. Database part I will take it later. Right now I am going to focus on Linux. So basically we need to understand about the Linux command. When you go for an when you basically go as a Oracle DBA, you should be very much comfortable with the Linux command. Okay. So what I will do this installation. Today I'll show you how to install the Linux operating system. In Linux we have a multiple flavors are there. Like as I said, you can use Red Hat Linux, you can use Ubuntu, you can use Oracle Enterprise Linux, you can use other operating system like HP, Solaris, AIX also. But we will go with very simple, we called it as a Ubuntu operating system. So what I will do, I want to install Ubuntu operating system. That's my main motto. I want to install Ubuntu operating system. But the problem is that I cannot run two operating system at a time. I want to run my Windows operating system also. I want to run my Ubuntu operating system. Windows, I will use it for my personal purpose. Let's say I want to watch the movie, I want to see some photos, I want to do anything. Okay. I want to do some practice. Let's say you are in a good mood and you are thinking that I want to do some study. For that I want to play with the Ubuntu now. So how to run two operating system at a time? So whenever you are in situations where you want to run multiple operating system at a time, for that you can use a software called Oracle VirtualBox. So there is a software provided by Oracle only, which is completely free of cost, and you can use this. So many machines are there right now. You don't need to run all the machines. Maybe in your case you do not need these machines also. I'll stop this machine now. So how to install this Oracle VirtualBox? How to install this software which we called it as a Oracle VirtualBox? How to do that? It's very simple. So what I will do, go to the Google Chrome and just say download. अरे यार ऐसा मत करो यार, ऐसा मत करो, रुको रुको 1 minute, disable the annotation. Okay, so you go here, just say download Oracle VirtualBox. Then you can click on the first link provided by the VirtualBox only. Go here, then click on Windows host, then click on Windows host. Acha, what I am expecting from everyone, you people also do these things with me. That is what my expectation. What is my expectation? You people also do all these things along with me, so that it will not just a training, it will be kind of workshop. So do one thing, those people who have a laptop, go to the Google Chrome, search download Oracle VirtualBox, click on the first link, and then click on the Windows host. What you can do, click on the Windows host. Once you click on the Windows host, it will start downloading over here. See, it will start downloading over here. Just do that. Please do that. Let me know once it is done, guys. Please do that. Let me know once it is done. Let me know once it is done. Let me know in the chat option. Once it is done, let me know in the chat options. Once it is done, let me know in the chat options. Done. So it will take. Let me know once it is done, everyone. Done. Okay, nice. Let me know once it is done. Acha, ठीक है, everyone. Okay, nice. Take a minute. Okay, I know that some people may not have a good internet. It will take a time. Don't worry. Okay, we'll go slowly, one by one. We are not in a hurry. Okay. Is it done? Fine. So what you need to do, just double click on it. Once you see here, it will go into the download folder. Just double click on it. Say next, just like a normal software. How you install the any other software na? Just install like that. Okay. Just say double click on it, say next, and it will be done. Say click on next, accept, say next. I am getting this warning message because I already have this Oracle VirtualBox in my laptop. So you just guys do some next, and it will be done. Okay, it will be done. I'm cancelling it because it's already installed in my laptop, so I don't need that. But you do that. Okay, that's very important. Once it is done, let me know, guys. Okay, once it is done, let me know. Once it is done, let me know. Okay, I'll cancel it because it's already done in my laptop. Okay, so this Oracle VirtualBox will be looking like this. If I go here, if you can just do one thing, just click on the search, just search it with the VirtualBox. Just search it with the Oracle VirtualBox, and it's done. So it should be showing like this. Okay, it should be showing like this. Done. So maybe on your left hand side you do not have any machine there. Maybe on your left hand side you do not have any machine because those people who have those people like our paid people, if you guys have any issues while doing the installation, we have created a support, we have created a WhatsApp group, right? There we have support team is available. You can just ask them. They will take your control and fix the issues. By any chance, if you are facing some challenges, not now, means today, if you are facing the challenges, just watch this, and tomorrow morning once the team is available, just send a message to them. They will take your control and they will fix the issues. Okay, for that you can use this software called AnyDesk. By using the AnyDesk software, they will take your control. Okay, by using AnyDesk software, they will take your control. Okay, now what I will do, now whenever you are in a situations where you want to install any operating system, first of all you need to download the OS, right? You need to download the operating system. Now you need to download the operating system. So we will use Ubuntu operating system. There is a version called 22.04. Why I'm using this version? Because I want everyone will be on a same place, and second important thing is I already have this available with me. That is the reason. So what you can do, just go here, say download Ubuntu ISO 22.04. Just go here, click on the link, you can see this one you can just say copy. I'll just copy the link address for you, and you can just paste it. Just run it. Just click here and it will start downloading here, right? It will start downloading here. See here, 4.4 GB. I know that this is a quite big one, but you need to download this 22.04. This one you need to download. Okay, once it is done, let me know. I know that the downloading will take a time, but don't worry about that. Maybe you can just start downloading and focus on the installation part. I'll show you how to do the installation. So by default, again it will go to the download folder. By default, again it will go to the download folder. Let me know once it is done. Let me know once it is done. Let me know once it is done, guys. Let me know once it is done. Done. Okay, done. Fine, nice. Okay, nice. So basically two softwares we have installed till now. Okay, basically two softwares. One software is we are installing Oracle VirtualBox, and second software we are installing which one? Download. We have downloaded which one? Ubuntu software. We have downloaded Ubuntu software. That's it. Okay, these are the two things that we have done. That's it. Okay, now by default it will go to the download folder. You can move that ISO from download folder to any other drive wherever you have a space. Now what I will do, I'll open the VirtualBox. So I'll go here, I'll open the VirtualBox and just say here, click on new. I want to add a new operating system. What I want to do, I want to add new operating system. Okay, so which operating system you want to add? Okay, I was asking which operating system you want to add. I want to add Ubuntu. Which one? Ubuntu. But I'll mention the name also of the month. What is the name? कौन सा month चल रहा है? October. Ubuntu October. You can give just Ubuntu also, no problem, because I have multiple machines are there. So that is the reason. Okay, I have multiple machines are there. That is the reason. So what I will do, click on the folder C drive, click on other, this PC, go to the space where you have sufficient space is available, around 30-40 GB. I'll go to the G drive and I'll create one folder here with the name Ubuntu VM October, something like this. I'll just mention October, something like this. Press enter. Just create a folder and select that folder. So I have used G drive now because I have space available under the G drive. If you don't have G drive, if you have only C drive, you can use C drive also, no problem. Wherever you have 30-40 GB space is available, you can use that. Okay. Then it is asking you to enter the ISO image. So this is my ISO image. I'll just select that. This is the one. Actually my ISO is available under E drive. If you don't know the location, click on other. Maybe it is available in your case in download folder. You can select that. I know my location. I know it is available under E drive, and there I have already kept that. So I'll just select that. This one and this one. Click on skip unattended installation. Whenever you are installing any operating system, for every operating system, you are going to allocate some resources. Like you are going to allocate a CPU, you are going to allocate a memory. Memory means basically your RAM, and you are going to allocate storage. These are the three: CPU, RAM, and storage. Whenever you are in a situations, we need to allocate three things: CPU, memory, storage. These three things you need to allocate: CPU, memory, storage. How much CPU? Like you can allocate the minimal CPU. I'll click on the hardware. I will allocate the memory around 7 GB. I'm allocating more memory because I have 32 GB RAM. You guys can allocate only 2 GB RAM. Then I'll allocate 3 CPU or 4 CPU, and the hard disk I will allocate around 40 GB. You don't need to allocate this much of resources. If you want to allocate a CPU, you can allocate one CPU. If you want to allocate a RAM, you can allocate hardly maybe 2.5 GB. And if you want to allocate the storage, you can allocate around 30 GB. That's more than enough. I have allocated more because I have lot of hard disks. I'm having storage. I have a lot of things. So that is the reason I don't worry about that. But till now able to understand? If I go here, I'll show you. Till now able to understand, everyone? Can you please use the chat options and let me know? Say yes, say no. Able to understand? You guys are understanding, right? Everyone? आपको मजा आ रहा ना? Okay. Take a time, okay? Take a time. Do that slowly. Take a time, okay? Take a time. Do that slowly. Do that slowly. Okay, what is an ISO image? ISO image is basically a software. Just like if you want to install Windows operating system, you need a software, right? I want to install Zoom software for meeting. I need that setup file, right? That is ISO image. Okay. Once it is done, click on finish. And you can see on my left hand side, the Ubuntu October is available now. You can see on my left hand side, Ubuntu is available now. Okay. Download. Is it done? Now what I will do, I'll just do small setting here. Like I'll click on the setting, click on the network, and just use bridge adapter. I need this for internet purpose. So click on the network and then click on bridge network. What I did, click on the settings. Let me show you one more time. keep editing. Okay, click on the settings, click on the settings, click on the network, and just say bridge adapter and click on OK. Then say bridge adapter and then click OK. Is it done? Let me know once it is done. Once it is done, let me know. Once it is done, let me know. Now what I will do, I'll do one thing. Click on the settings, click on the network and use bridge adapter. I have already done that. Okay, click on OK. Now it's time to click on start because I want to do the installation. It's time to say start because I want to do the installation. And now my machine is getting up. So generally don't start all the machines because whenever you are starting the machine, it will consume the resources. Okay, it will consume your CPU, your system may be hang. So when you want to use that, start it. When you don't want to use that, stop it. Okay. Now the machine is getting started. Again, we have not done the installation. It will take a time to do the installation. Here I have options called. Achha, I need to do something. I'll show you that part because I have two things. I'll click on settings. I'll do one more small thing. Click on the system and I'll make it a USB tablet already there now. Click on OK. Let me start it. Let me start it one more time. Let me start it. If you know how to install the Ubuntu operating system, you can do the installation of any operating system in future. It's quite easy to do the installation of Red Hat also or any operating system. If you know how to do that. Click on view and click on scale mode. Okay, click on view and click on scale mode. Now it's fine. Okay. Nice. My mouse is not working properly. I think I need to make some changes. 1 minute. Let me see what I can do so that my mouse will work. USB tablet is already done. क्या कर सकते, because my mouse is display. Let me see if it is working. Let me start it. Sometimes, you know, since I'm using a 2 laptop now, sometimes the mouse will not work inside the VirtualBox. Okay, generally, but no worries. Okay, I'm there to worry. अरे यार ये फिर भी प्रॉब्लम दे रहा है. ओके, click on 1 minute. Let me see what I can do. Click on setting, click on tablet. ये तो है सब जगह पे. Ubuntu. What I can do to make sure that PS2 वाला ये यूज करके देखते. Let's see will it work or not. Actually my mouse is inside VirtualBox. Sometimes, you know, the mouse will not work. You just need to restart the laptop and it will be done. But now I don't have time to do that because if I close that then you people will not be there. So see, can you see my okay? Anyway, let me try without mouse. Now it is asking that what will be the, so just say here try and install Ubuntu. Just click here, try and install Ubuntu. Okay, now your Ubuntu installation is in progress. It's quite easy, you know, if you want to do the installation of Ubuntu, it's quite easy. Very easy, very easy actually. So just wait for another 1 or 2 minutes. and your installation will be done. Okay, your installation is in progress now. Are you able to see the screen like this, guys? Are you able to see the screen like this, the way I have shown you? Are you able to see? You can use VMware workstation also, but my suggestion will be go the way I am telling you, because then again the installation part will be little different there, and here it will be different. So you better go like this only. Okay, till now are you able to see any screen? Are you able to? Okay, it should be done. Okay, chipset, ठीक है, this also done. Click on settings, network में bridge adapter. Okay, let me start it one more time. Are you able to see the screen, guys? Your Ubuntu screen, something like this. Are you able to see? My mouse is having some issue. If I go here, USB, which one? USB किधर से करने का? One minute, let me cross share. So if something click on the mouse integration is not possible. अच्छा, generally it get fixed under USB tablet, but let's see. Click on the settings, click on the system, USB tablet, multi-touch. Let me see if multi-touch works. Acha, is it a problem with the VirtualBox because the incomplete installation was done? I can do one thing, download VirtualBox. I'll go here, click here, Windows host. I'll just download that one more time. I see it is already there. Double click on it. Let me try. Okay, let me try to do the installation one more time. So I say click on next, I accept the agreement, next, next, yes, install, see what will happen. Power off, retry, VirtualBox interface. Can you see any VirtualBox running? Acha, I have seen this. No. I'm installing the latest version of my VirtualBox. Okay, that's what I'm doing now. And let's see, let's run it. Let's wait. It will be fixed. Okay, just wait for some time and it will be done. So basically till now what we have done, we basically have done the installation of Oracle VirtualBox. We have downloaded the Ubuntu, and now we are trying to do the installation of Ubuntu. Okay, that is what we are trying to do now, and then it will be done. Okay, that's it. Now it's doing, so it is basically removing my older software and installing the latest VirtualBox. Okay, so okay, so size is basically you can allocate one CPU, 30 GB storage, and 2.5 GB to 3 GB RAM. That's more than enough. Okay, see, now my installation is in progress. Okay, then finish it. And now let's try to open that. Can you see here? अच्छा, पूरा अलग ही हो गया. ठीक है. Okay, now this looks pretty much different actually. What I will do, I'll just close it, open the VirtualBox again. Let me see. And let me start this machine. Okay, if I click on the setting, click on the, scroll it down, USB tablet. Okay, fine, and then start it. Let's see. The UI got changed completely different now, I can see. And let's start the machine now. Okay, let's wait, the machine is getting up, and then we will do the installation. So it's getting started. Yeah, still I have this issue with me. My USB is coming with Logitech में कौन सा है मेरे पास? Blue 80. This is not. I clear. Some options are disabled also. Why I am facing the challenges? Chronic UI, Telelink wireless receiver, Pixar HP नहीं है, ये भी नहीं है. Mouse integration. So you got the option here, right? Click on install Ubuntu. Click on install Ubuntu. Okay. Click on the install Ubuntu. What is the language? I want to go with the English language. Click on continue. What you want to do, or you want to do the normal installation? Just uncheck this. Yes, I want to do the normal installation. Click on continue. And then it will give you a message like, do you want to erase the disk and install Ubuntu? Don't worry about that, nothing will happen. Just click on install Ubuntu. Okay, then click on continue. Then it will ask you, where are you? Right now I'm in India. Just select that, click on continue. Actually I was facing the issues with my mouse, now it got fixed. So it is asking you, what is your name? So you can mention the name like Learnomet. Okay, my suggestion will be, don't use your personal name, use Learnomet only. Why? Because this name is very important. This is your username. You are going to log in with this user only, and keep the password as Oracle. Very simple, same password. Don't use any strong password. Keep the password as Oracle. Use this name only, guys, because when my support team will take your control now, that time you should not get okay, I'm using something different and all. Okay, so you should go with this. Click on continue. And now your installation is in progress. So basically this will go for your next one hour it will take. So your installation of Ubuntu is done, and it will hardly take another 1 hour, or maybe sometime 30 minutes also. Then you will get the message to reboot your operating system. So just reboot it, and then I'll show you the next part in the next lecture. So what we have done till now. Okay, what we have done till now. So basically we just discuss about two things. One is how to download the Ubuntu. Second thing, we discuss about how to download the Ubuntu. Second thing, what is the second thing that we have discussed? How to download and install VirtualBox. Okay, that's what we have seen. Okay, that's what we have seen till now. So Ubuntu installation is completed. In the next lecture we are going to see the Linux command. We are going to see the actual Linux command. Okay, so my suggestion will be ready with the installation part. By any chance, if you guys are facing any challenges while doing the installation, my support team is there in the group. Just WhatsApp them, they will take your control and fix the issue. For that you need one software, like they will ask you to provide the AnyDesk, right? So what you can do, just go here and just install this software called AnyDesk. It's free of cost. Download AnyDesk, this software. Click here, and then click on download now. Okay, this software is required, guys. This software is required. So just use that software, because that's how they are going to take the control. So this software is very, very important. Okay. All right. So let's do one thing. Let's connect in the next lecture, and we are going to do. We are going to see the. Now tomorrow, I don't think so we can connect, because tomorrow is a big festival in India. Like everyone know about the Dashera. So mostly in the evening time, the people will take the blessings of your parents and the senior citizens, right? So normally the people will not be available. So again, um, so and we take the classes from Monday to Thursday. Okay. So basically we need to conduct on Monday now. Okay. So it's a regular class now. So don't take leave, because generally we take a time to start the class, but now once our classes is started, we don't stop it. Okay, unless and until you have any, or I have any emergency. Okay, so you have these 2-3 days to complete the installation of Ubuntu. By any chance, if you are not able to do the installation, as I said earlier, you guys can reach out to the LearnOmate team, and they will take your control and they will fix the issue. But make sure you have any disk is available now. Okay, make sure you have any disk available. Acha, till now whatever we discuss, able to understand everyone? Till now whatever we discuss, able to understand? Can you please use the chat option and let me know? Okay, nice. Okay, ठीक है guys. Okay, thank you, bye bye. Okay, let's connect.